Hi guys. Okay, this is our last installment. The food is all cooked, all done. Still waiting on the pasta fingers, but I mean, oh wait, no, she's plating it. Okay, all good. This is Heen. He's covering his face. Batman, Lisa, Chadwick, Cindy, and yeah, our dinner consists of Chinese sausages, chips and salsa, rice. Oh, and eggplants and cabbage with kung pao sauce. Okay. And here are the beautiful deep fried pot stickers. Where's the soy sauce? Oh, okay.
Is someone doing the soy sauce?
I'm just gonna have the little packets. Okay, so this is our dinner. Thanks for watching. And yeah, our dinner.
Thanks for watching, all one of you.
Guys.
And see.
Okay, bye guys. Time for dinner.
No.